Hey everybody, how y'all doing today? Hope all y'all's got some good weather. We went fishing, catfishing. We was getting a couple bites here and there. Started picking up pretty good, and I'll just show you. Boy, what a fishing trip. Woo. Got too far to go to get to the truck. It hit too fast. Yeah. That's how we ended, soaking wet. I put a video in a couple spots, but catfishing went bad, so we decided to come back while that rain did all the damage everywhere. It's pretty heavy storms. Do the Bank and Creek school bag. It's the bait school bag from Lurenet. Take everything out here, lay it on the side real quick. Drop it off. Of course, this comes out. This is the let's see what, May, June bag. Bank and Creek fishing sticker. You get it every time. Little bag, zips up. You can hang them up like this. It's a pretty good little bag. Then you got the receive 15% off your next order. Leave that code right there if somebody wants to use that code. Well, y'all can use it. It's fine with me. And then we have a Norman lure sticker. It's white. Also, see what kind of plastics we got this time. We got the Crawl Pappy. You use a 4/0 offset hook. Pretty good looking little crawfish in there. I don't know if they sent the hook with that or not. Let's see what we got. Usually they match up stuff pretty good on hook wise and stuff. And then we got the Yum warning shot. It says use a 1 mesquite. Some of these I don't like to open. I like to give them away. Leave them into the pack till I'm going to use it. Not a bad looking plastic. What color is that? Green pumpkin. Green pumpkin. That first one, color on it was a green pumpkin. That's 2 green pumpkins. Then of course we got a 4 offset hook to use with this breaking shad. It's a pearl white. Pretty good looking white. Ought to attract a little fish in the river. I like that for the river. Then we've got the Yum finesse worm. It says to use a 3/0 with a shaky head on a Texas rig. This is GB Hayes. It's your worm. Most people's probably already got some of these, but that's just what they put in the bag this time. Like I said, I've been trying to get these fishing videos, guys, and man, weather's just been between some doctor's appointments and the weather. All right. Here's a War Eagle 3 32 ounce pack of hooks. That's a pretty good size hook right there, guys. You could use that on some of those worms. Then we got a Booyah Boo Jig. Must be the month for the green. So that's Booyah Bait Company. Then we've got the Booyah blade. This is a 3/8 spinner with a the two different blades. Chartreuse pearl white shad. That's what that's called. Pretty good little bunch in here. Here's a squelcher 3/8 of an inch buzz. We're gonna make some noise right there. Right. A good looking color. Chartreuse and white. Then we've got a Norman, a deep baby 6 to 8 foot crankbait. You figure this is $32 for this bag. So, and here's a deep baby 6 to 8. Different color. I was looking at the back, guys. Forgive me for that pause there. Different color. The other one's kind of blue. That one's a little purple. This one's blue. It's a deep baby, 6 to 8 foot. It's a diver, and it's got a black spot with blue on top and yellow on the sides. They all rattle. But like I said, that's the bag, the Lurenet bag. Pratco sends it. It's a subscription. Every 2 months you get the bag. It's a pretty full little bag. They've not been disappointing at all, any of them, guys. I've got some camping stuff that I'm going to do on unboxing. I've got to take the wife for a doctor's appointment tomorrow. Then next week on Monday, I've got one for me. I've got to do my DOT physical stuff. Once I get that done, maybe the rain's done. We've got camping videos we want to start. Fishing every week. And the rain's killing me, and the doctor's appointments. But I'm doing doctor's appointments for 30 people. My mom, my wife, and me. Just to let y'all know. It's time consuming, but we got to take care of the family. I got 2 days off, and I do this when I'm off. So, but guys, if y'all like the video, give me a thumbs up. Remember, the motto for the channel is take a kid fishing. And up front, and I'll do a section in the middle, I'll show y'all the storm that I got caught in. I was so wet when I got home, I had to change clothes. I had water dripping from my underwear, my socks, my shoes. You could pour water out of and everything. It hit earlier than it was supposed to. I was watching it on radar, but, excuse me, I guess the wind picked up and it decided to put it on me. But anyway, guys, remember, take a kid fishing. This is the Fishing Addict. We'll see you on the next video. And stay tuned, guys. We got good stuff coming. See y'all on the next one.